Can we make a multi-tool that's homemade but has a replaceable bit driver? Welcome to Tooltech Geek. A replaceable bit driver is very useful in a multi-tool. Lots of them have them, and you can basically use different type of screwdrivers, Torx bits, and also drill bits to drill holes, and even there are some small step bits that you can carry. Now, if we're making a homemade multi-tool, an easy way to get things is to add kind of pre-made tools, such as a utility blade, instead of having to make blades from scratch. Then let's say if you want to have a file, you can add a piece of sandpaper to a piece of plastic or wood, and then you have a file functionality. Now, how can we do the same and add a replaceable drill bits? That's the question I want to answer. So one thing I started looking at is having some sort of hexagonal piece that can add to the tool. So I cut that from a hexagonal key. So now I have this piece of the puzzle, and the second piece is adding this adapter. It adapts from a 4mm driver to a 1/4 inch. Now, question is, how do we connect those together? Is there anything that could be a tube with set screws, and then inside those set screws we can have a rectangular, like a square or hexagonal type of shaft, and grab it, so we could connect things together. For example, if we have a laser cut piece or something from a flat piece, it will be easy to make a square type of axle. Well, there is such connectors. They are called shaft coupling connectors. They do exactly that. They have set screws. If we put something, for example, hexagonal, we could connect together, two of them together. So here I'm putting the adapter and that piece of a hex key, and now with a little Allen key, I'm gonna tighten the set screws to connect them together. If you do it carefully, you can have the things very well centered. Now we have a bit driver attached to our homemade tool. Now let's put it to the test. I'm gonna add a Torx bit here to the end. It has a magnet, so it holds it pretty well. Now I'm driving a screw into wood. It really holds pretty well with torque and such. Of course, we can use some of the other things. With a step drill we can make holes, and then for smaller one we can use a drill bit. Takes a while. In the end we can do all those operations with a very small tool. All we need is to use these connectors that help us to kind of finish the puzzle, so to speak. And we have a kind of portable, very small multi-tool. Thank you for watching.